Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Now I would like to tell you about Mariam, a new Turkish drama serial. First of all, I would like to talk you about Furkan Endik is a famous Turkish actor. His recent Turkish drama in Urdu dubbing was Ik Haseen Intikam. In Mariam, he is performing the role of Shahwez, a young and humble man. He is 31 years old. He started his acting career in 2011 and appreciated in many hit dramas. He lives in Istanbul with his family. He is not married. And the second main role cast for Mariam is a famous Turkish series aired in Turkish 2017 and dubbed in Urdu in 2021. Mariam Turkish drama lead cast name consists of Furkan, Endik and Akça. The drama story is full of romance and suspense. This drama aired on Express TV with Urdu dubbing. Let's have a look at Mariam drama full cast. Mariam Akça is performing the lead role of Mariam and her acting is outstanding in this serial. She is a pretty girl with green eyes. She is 28 years old. She started her acting career in 2007 and proved her amazing modeling and acting skills. Her height is 1.67 m. Mariam Turkish drama story revolved around the life of a young and beautiful girl named Mariam who takes the blame of an accident that was committed by his boyfriend Rohan. Rohan is a prosecutor who plays dad with the feelings of Mariam and cares only about his career. Due to the accident, Shahvez's girlfriend died. Shahvez meets Mariam and the story takes a new turn. Shahvez is a young man who comes from a wealthy family. He has everything including good looks, intelligence, but he does not have kindness. After her mother's death, he moves away from his father and wants to have a simple life. He loves his girlfriend so much and plans to get married to her as soon as possible. Even thought his girlfriend is a waitress and has an ordinary life. Chavez knows that she is the woman of this life. Mariam, on the other hand, is a beautiful young girl who works at the bakery together with her father. She is so caring, self-sacrificing, and throughout. She has been dating with Octave for a long time and dreams to become his bride. While Octave goes to the law school, Mariam takes care of him and even financially support him. She can do anything for his lover and even sacrifice her own life. When Octave becomes a prosecutor, Mariam expects to receive a proposal even totally. She has done so many good things for his lover without expecting anything in return, and now she knows that we can get married and have a happy marriage. When Mariam learns that there would be a dinner, she immediately accepted that Octave would propose her. However, Octave never proposes or breaks up with her at the dinner. She cannot find the courage to break up with Mariam when he thinks about all her sacrifice and efforts. Mariam, on the other hand, just thinks that Octave could not propose due to the excitement and tries to hide her frustration. On their way towards home, Octave makes an accident and hit a young woman. Even though he saw that there is a body on the ground, he does not help her and leave everything behind as if there is no body. He does not inform Mariam about his fact and act as if they have just made a car accident and hit a barrel. Due to rain, Mariam cannot understand that they have hit a person and believe in her lover in order not to horrible his lover. And this drama serial revolves around its main character Mariam, who is innocent and sensitive girl and a victim of a conspiracy and revenge in search of love, who her friends take behind bars. Although Turkish historical dramas are more popular in Pakistan, this unique romantic drama serial is one of its kind and hard to miss. This title song of drama serial is sung by Pakistan emerging singer Anurul Khalid, which is going to be an instant hit among the listeners. The first episode of Mariam can be watched with your whole family from Thursday to Sunday 8 p.m. only on Express TV. Thanks for watching. For more updates, like subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.